Hello guys, welcome to Soft YouTube channel. Today we want to discuss with you about a platform called Rateglo. Okay, if you are first here to watch this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel and select all so as to be receive our news notification from the bell on icon of this channel. All right, we are going to talk about Rateglo. Rateglo is a platform that pays as you review brands. You can join Rateglo by using your email and sign up. You click on register. You see register or login. Okay. To register via Rateglo, I'll send you the link on the video description. Okay. Rateglo here, immediately you sign up, you receive a $5 registration bonus. Okay. Then now, before we do that, we are going to explain some certain things, what people say about Rateglo, but you can give it a trial because recently I received a notification that one of my friends have been paid. Okay, I've been paid $80. $80 is a minimum uh withdrawal from each of the payment formats except Western Union. Okay, but before then, let's move to login or registration. Okay, if you are new to this platform, what you need to do is to click register, but I have account here already. I need to log in. Okay, I now log in here. They ask of my email and password. I have it already, so I log in. You see, I'm just logging in here. I have just $5 here in this account, as you can see. Then for you to earn more money on this, okay, you'd go to quick earnings. Quick earnings, you said, okay, simply complete a task to earn from $2 to $20 for higher offers. They said finish a short survey to win a new Samsung Galaxy A53 now. So if you just follow each of this survey, you will be paid. Okay, then let's move to another section here. As you are doing more tasks, your level will increase. Okay, from your level 1, when you sign up, you move to level 2, level 3. As you're moving to the level 2 jobs, okay, more money will also increase. Money too will increase per survey. Okay, level 1 payment format is a bit low. Okay, as you are doing more tasks, you'll be let me say promoted to level 2. Okay, then level 3, more works or tasks being done. Then now let's move to the referral. Okay, and check how they earn via referrals as well. Okay, referral said earn $1 when your friend join. Also, your friend will earn $5 from registering. Okay, your referral become active when your friend reach level 2. Okay, then now let's go to video bounce. Okay, video bounce here is for you to make a video concerning this Rateglo, that they are good. Then you drop the link and you get paid $5 to $200 by making a video about Rateglo on your YouTube channel. Okay, then let's look at the withdrawal. After everything, man must withdraw. You cannot just hustle like that without getting money. They have withdrawal options: PayPal, USDT, Skrill, and Western Union. PayPal is just email. If you're a Nigerian, PayPal, you use different formats and get that done in Nigeria. You can use South Africa and other nearby country to get your PayPal being fixed. Then USDT is general Bitcoin format that anybody can use. Binance, Roku, and many other wallets. There are plenty, or Trust Wallet as well. Then the aspect of Skrill is just your email. You sign up and get it done. Okay, let's look at the minimum withdrawal for PayPal. PayPal, the minimum is 80. Say sorry, the minimum withdrawal amount is 80. Then click USDT2 to see. Okay, you see, sorry, the minimum withdrawal amount is 80. Skrill, same 80. Okay, then Western Union is $100. Okay, if you want to get your money via Western Union. Okay, please, if this is the first time you're watching our channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel to receive our updates day by day. Let's now look at Trust Wallet. Oh, I mean to say Trustpilot. Beg your pardon concerning that, how they review this platform. Okay, Trustpilot says the review is 3.2, 113 total. This is 5 days ago. Said, I don't do this. I don't know this is real or fake. I work. Okay. The website I earned $39, but I can't reload this to show 530 euros. Okay. And another one here says from Ami Sandikwi, 13th of November, said I've been working on this site for the last 5 days. So far everything is going well. Let's see if the people even pay when it's $100. But the minimum here, $100 is for Western Union, and the minimum is $80 for other withdrawal options. Okay, this was done on 13th of November 2023. Then another person, Luna Mara, 6 hours ago, said this website is fraud. My account has been suspended for $74 without any clear violation. It turns out there are so many accounts that have been suspended, meaning this website clearly does not want to pay. That was okay today, just 21st of November 2023, which is Access paying date. Oh, what's up, guys? Oh yeah, another one here, 3rd of November. So the best thing so far is women are becoming financially independent and they don't work from home. Day by day, inflation is increasing and people can't find jobs. But this web is best to earn from home. Okay, another one 4 hours ago said this account suspended. Oh, it said going well. It was going well. Good, very good for until account suspended. Oh, this is very sad. This one got just $65 and his account is suspended till further notice. This one same today, 5 hours ago, account suspended. Oh, so many people's account has been suspended. Oh my goodness. All right, people have been saying that they have been receiving payments, so you can give a try. There is no harm in trying. You don't spend any amount of money, so just give a try. Another person here 2 days ago said it's fake. I was doing $80 in this website, $70 earning and 10 from referral, but they don't give me any kind of money. Very disappointing. Wow. But a friend just proved that they got a receive his payment via PayPal. I doubt this. Can't we just give a try to see if it's up to $80? Then we can now give it another review because we have to test it and see. I'm still working on it. As far as withdrawal is due for withdrawal, I do not know whether the site is reliable or not. So we will see, check that. When your money is $80, that is when you can say this is fake or real. Okay, let's keep on doing because some of my friends just sent me that they have withdrawn theirs. I will send you the proof of payment in our next video. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.